Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 29 under Section 3. Now the instruction is, after each of the following sentences is a list of possible interpretations. Choose the option that is most appropriate for each sentence. So the sentence given to us here is, you will certainly break his heart if you tell him that. So this means you are telling him that he would A. Make him very sad. B. Meet his expectations. C. Greatly disappoint him. D. Make him confirm. So the expression we are looking at here is break his heart. Break his heart. So what could it mean, or what does it mean to break one's heart? So to break one's heart means to disappoint, to disappoint or put in a state of grief. So depending on the context, heartbreak, the expression heartbreak is mostly mean to disappoint, and it could also mean to put in a state of grief depending on the context in which it is used. So in this case, it is being used as a result of withholding an information from someone and telling the person or giving the person that piece of information could break the person's heart. So this, within this context, it means telling the person this particular information could disappoint the person, So option C means greatly disappointing. Therefore, the most appropriate interpretation of to break his heart as used in this sentence is C, greatly disappointing. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.